Stop being blank. 5. Fishing habits 90% wrong. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you rate showing up, setting up, and leaving empty-handed more often than you like, this video is for you. Over the years I've watched the same mistakes repeat themselves on the bank, so today I am breaking down more common fishing habits that keep most anglers blanking and exactly how to fix them. Friendly, simple, and practical, let's dive in. Mistake E: thinking more expensive gear more fish. A lot of us fall for the top tier will solve everything myth. High-end gear is nice, but it won't fix bad presentation or bad spot choice. I much prefer right gear over fancy gear, the medium stiff rod that feels balanced, land rated for the fish you target, and a hook that matches your bait. Pick a setup that lets you feel light bites and still control a big run. Don't let brand names dictate your success. Mistake are only fishing in the weeds. Yes, fish hang in weed beds, but they feed on the edge of them. Casting straight into the thick stuff usually means snags and small fish. Aim your bait about a foot or so off the weed line, roughly 30 mm. That lets fish come out to feed without getting tangled and gives you cleaner hookups. Also check bottom type and depth, those matter more than lots of grass. Mistake: sand chumming too much. More bait doesn't always mean more bites. Overfeeding fills them up or makes them ignore your hook bait. Use the half-hungry trick, small, measured baiting at first to attract fish, then top up sparingly. Think egg or golf ball-sized handfuls, every 20到40分钟 use if needed. Keep fish interested, not stuff. Mistake 4: making your bobber buoy too sensitive. New anglers chase ultra-sensitive setups, but wind, current, and surface clutter create false alarms. If your float is twitching constantly, you'll strike at fake touches and come up empty. Tune your bobber to give true signals, dull it down a bit in windy or flowing water so only a real bite produces a clear dip. Better to miss a twitch than set on an empty hook 10 times. Mistake 5: stubbornly camping at a dead spot. Fishing isn't passive, fish move. If a spot is dead for 20到30分钟, use no bubbles, no surface activity, no bird activity, try a nearby spot. Do a few test casts around the area first. If you find activity, move quietly and set up. I learned this the hard way, following the fish beats waiting for them to magically show. Wrap up, so there you go. Stop worshipping gear, fish the weed edge, chum smart, tune your bobber for real signals, then be ready to move. Small mindset shifts like these will multiply your bites way more than another expensive rod. Which one of these are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments and tell me which change you'll try next time. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, then ring the bell so you don't miss the next tip. Tight lines and see you on the bank.